Hi folks, we're in La Jolla, San Diego. Beautiful ocean view. Gorgeous hotel. It's called La Valencia. The name of the hotel is La Valencia. Nice ocean view. All right folks, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you could please subscribe my channel. It's a beautiful sunny day in San Diego. Nice pool. Alright folks, you gotta see the view. Love San Diego. It's kind of historic hotel. It's called La Valencia Hotel in La Jolla, San Diego. Most of the rooms has ocean view. And they're kind of pricey right now. So right now you're looking at about over $700 per night. If you want ocean view. Alright folks, so this is the terrace. Alright, and this is the lobby. Even from the lobby you could see the view. Beautiful view. All right, folks, you could see the ceiling on the hotel. All right, you got a full bar too. What's up, buddy? Alright folks, so we're gonna go outside and you can see the terrace. All right folks, so this is the yard. Beautiful view. Gorgeous view. And they also have the event today, so you can see the view. You see the ocean view. All right folks, it's a nice hotel. It's a lot of stuff to show. All right, so this is the name of the hotel. It's called La Valencia Hotel. All right, folks, have a good day, everyone.